Ryerson really opened up my eyes to broader system-level thinking. It made me critically think about what makes a good healthcare system. The ideal healthcare system is where a patient has integrated and coordinated care throughout their care journey. The continuum should be seamless between home, their family doctor, as well as hospital. What really impresses me about Ryerson graduate studies is the level of support that they provide to their students in terms of professional development, writing workshops, and networking opportunities to advance my career development.